صباح الخير. Good morning. iWriter.com. iWriter is a content marketplace where you can write articles for clients and get paid for your work and writing. Follow me in this video to show you how to do this. You will enter iWriter.com. Then these are the services for the customers who will pay. So who will pay, who will follow these statements. Order custom content now for customers. They follow these steps. Step 1, register for free account. Step 2, request the type of the service they want, receive their content, review the content, and the final step number 5, download their content. But if you would like to write for payment, for get paid, so you will order this for the customer. But if you writer, you will become a writer today. So you'll print here. Click here and write the application here. Your name, your data, your contacts, and follow the advertisements about the customers who are need reading articles. So when you write the article, you will paid for this writing. Or you from here you can log in and instead of need to sign up for the customer who needs writing for websites or any types of writing, you can need to apply as a writer. Click here. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write to me and I will respond to you. And subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload. And don't forget to like the video and write a good comment to encourage us to continue. We need to reach the search engine like Google and Yahoo and Bing and reach 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.